How to remove card details from iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove your card details from iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove card details from your iPhone, which is your card or maybe your payment method or anything as such, it's actually quite simple to do it. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the settings app. Tap your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen. After you tap your Apple ID profile from the very top, you'll find the option called payment and shipping, so make sure to tap on it. And once you tap on the payment and shipping option that you can find here, make sure to verify with your Face ID if it asks you to. Then after that, here you should be able to see the payment method that you've added, so make sure to select that payment method and then just make sure to basically cancel it. Now you can also choose other ones, or you can just select those and then you should be able to see any sort of card you've added, and then you'll be able to remove them. This way you'll be able to remove your card details from your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.